Owners are complaining there is no way to escape for the rainwater on the Cybertruck windshield. Due to the certain angle the windshield is placed when you drive the truck in rain with high speed, the water residue from the wiper just climbs up the windshield. This isn't a big problem because this is not in the line of sight for the driver. The fixed amount of water is in equilibrium depending on the wind and car speed and the wiper motion. Some part of the rest of water is dropping down under by its weight, and the other part is moving upwards. We suspect it can be pretty annoying in heavy rain for the driver with the water moving upwards. As of now, the only solution for this issue is to use RainX and watch the raindrops streak off the windshield. Hopefully Tesla will take the feedback from owners and provide some fix for the issue. Do let us know your thoughts in the comments section.